Welcome back. Today we are going to be continuing to improve our S650 CJ Pony Parts street build. We have some RTR parts today we're going to be throwing on the car, so let's get into it. Today we're going to be starting with the front splitter, so we have to remove the stock one and the undercarriage cover. So to get the front lip off, there will be 4 pins you need to push out, and then there's a handful of bolts, and then there's clips. So when you do the clip, you're going to want to push down on it and push out at the same time with your hands. Now it's time to put the RTR one on. Now it's time to reinstall the factory hardware. Next up, you'll reinstall your stock under tray. You do have to remove the mud flap for installation. For this piece to attach to the lip, you will use the supplied bolts in the package. Now that we're done with the front, we're moving on to the rear with these quarter splitters. So for these two right here, we're using the factory hardware, and they did supply another one for this hole we have to drill right here. Now that we have the back done, it's time for the side skirts. So after popping all of these out, you will want to remove them because we'll use them on the new side skirts. So this splitter does use some of the factory mounting points, but we do have to make some more. What you want to do is go ahead and put the splitter up and put 2 pins in it so you can pilot drill all the holes out, and then we'll take the splitter off and re-drill the bigger holes. When you're tightening these up, be careful not to over tighten them. You can feel when it starts to get a little tight. You'll want to go a little bit more and then it should be secure. And next up, we're going to install the Anderson Composites hood vent. After you tightened all your bolts, you should be snug on the hood and it looks good.